Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I am the co-owner of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make plant-based snacks to satisfy those crunchy, salty, savory desires. You can find our snacks on our website and a few other places like Amazon and Walmart.com and our Etsy shop. I will share those links below for you. There's also a freebie in the description box, so don't forget to go grab those. All right, so you just bought a juicer, or maybe you love cold pressed juice and you decided to make your own. So you bought the juicer and now you brought it home and you're like, what do I do? How do I use this thing? So today I'm going to talk about a few of my favorite recipes and share those with you so you can make them and let me know what you think. Juicing at home is a great way to get lots of nutrients from plants in a glass of juice, and it tastes delicious. I mean, it's great, especially if you make it good. But maybe you've recently made some juice and you're like, this tastes like grass. How do I make it not taste like grass? Well, I'm going to tell you how to make it taste good. So let's jump into my 3 favorite recipes. So my first recipe, we're going to call it Kale Yeah, because that's what we do here. We make kale chips. Everything is all about kale. So you're going to grab a bunch of kale, like a bunch, a bunch of kale that's twisted together from the grocery store, a bag of green apples, maybe a cucumber, a little piece of ginger. That's usually my basis for what I like to add. I also like to add in a lime. And of course, you can add in more of something else or take out less of something else. Maybe you start with half a bunch of kale and then add in the whole bag of apples and taste test and see where you are. Run that through your juicer and then let me know what you think. Next up is our Cure It with Celery Juice. Surprising, you might think celery is not good. How could you juice it and make it taste good? This is how. You're gonna grab a head of celery, a lemon, an apple, and a cucumber. And if you would like to add ginger, I'd add ginger to everything. Run all that through your juicer. You want to start with the softest produce first, so put the cucumber and the lemon in first, and then your last piece of produce will be the celery. That way, if any of the lemon juice gets stuck in your juicer, the celery is hard enough, it will push that all out into your cup, and you will have not much left within your juicer. And our third recipe for today is I don't care at all. Okay, anyways, so moving on to the recipe, you want to grab a pound of baby carrots. You can use big carrots too, an apple, a lemon, and again, if you want to add some ginger, a little piece of ginger. Run all that through your juicer and you will have phenomenal carrot juice. So those are our 3 recipes for today. Give it a try, let me know what you think. I love all of these, but if you have a recipe that you love, I would love to try it because I love trying new things, and I will share my new recipes with you as well. On top of just having a great glass of juice, these juices are packed with all kinds of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, essential acids, all kinds of great things that will help your body thrive. So give those a try, let me know, and if you like this video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you right back here next Friday for another video. Stay awesome.